Ɛtoɔ bekum jo Mahama. Hey.
Me tron krade a kyerɛ sɛ kwasi ampanyine ya oda wi one ne papa Jimmy fu ya omoda ho no. O papa wi atena akonya so 25 years nya.
That His Excellency, with all due respect, who team no any akabeneza and our rasne team no they ain't a petuo. Just let me know they ain't a petuo.
Yeka NDC for ye benya mani bia wo Ghana enye toa eyema enye toa eyema
Ɛtoɔ bekum ɛtoɔ bebre bekum ɛtoɔ bekum ebusensi aloko social media montene so Mahama or trende who say Mahama air trend bi na ɛtoɔ bi da ho who say ya posting Mahama picture bi na say tunumu ada ho nya tunumu keto mi wura wura be ye tunumu paset ye bi na si Mahama nya da e di azema de o ton tunumu ala so to Everybody jame what on day 80 since I be one Mahama picture bi na tunumu da nche anyway your president mu mugu na say I said say obusia concern Dr. Ansan Sadalia is a fake doctor here na se ba ya de na Mahama ne kan witela hu na go minister for the social media mountain so Mahama wunya so na concern that no tiktokers abefaya ama o mabege ka ensempa kire Mahama ama Ohene ba David es abeties mu bi na Ohene ba David e ba ye no odo wa ma ka witela anko so o ko certificate witela papa so ene wa horo na besi ne ba ka witela so anu ahoro na akosi ase ama bi akosi Ansan Sadalia na say ona oye this scam thing nyina no ebi akwaso ne so ebuza enya asem kuma aha Penyah block media mesra say dey over like video no that room I want subscribe to that click be notification icon for latest update na be kire wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section so ba so no ahye bi mo so enya bi ahye say say the excellence what one no a let's no ahwe attack e ba no so obe say my mistake say me take everything my mistake was say my everything tell me media menye my mistake say my everything recommend obi ma me my mistake but you know a rest when you hear now see me buy no Kevin Taylor has dedicated his life to defend this nonsense.
This lady is a doctor who practices in America. Now, one was a story being on social media. Oh, fake female medical doctor on GH1 TV exposed. This lady or a health show GH1. And then I'm starting who stories be on Modern Ghana. There are two people at Modern Ghana. They'll be served personally and they'll go to jail. And now they have come together and contracted a man. This lady has never stood anywhere in Ghana to say or practice medicine and now or a medical doctor or Ghana on KBDA. But she has a license in the US. You saw a story. Assassin Radio so Faké story no. Selective media houses affiliated to some group of people. Fake doctor exposed and Sansa Daily not licensed to practice medicine in Ghana or US. So you go and check Assassin Radio. Who did the story? The person who did the story today, the lady's lawyer is trying to track him because he is going to be served. Oh yeah. Details. But you cannot just ask vague question and say, oh, me busa, my send email binti say, that means she's not a doctor in America. And in terms of people are going to go to jail. Because the lady's lawyer has released a statement. They are looking at suing between 40 to 50 million. Because we are talking about people who went to school to work hard to get their certification. In Uber Amatefi or say, I went to New Jersey to check and I sent an email to the so-called medical school she claims she went.
Adia, everything about the lady is being exposed, but still, Kevin tells Yenny or no ni. Asma John Hopkins for air cancer guy name my whole school down my intie. Asma Ghana Medical and Dental Council for Cancer Munim Gen baby and my intie. But Yenny or no Kevin a call by tell any or nene all because the 9 Kevin tell at 9 any doctor answers a daddy and 9 year pet. Oh, muna ye pet straw. I pine down quan. I share 9 nibi. Oh, muna ye paint any. Yenny getting it just like that. Yenny. So a doctor, that's what Kiatia say. We are kind of Kevin Taylor because Gary, Dr. NDC, or graduate every Kevin Taylor's School of Medical Basement. Kevin Taylor's School of Medical Basement. A whole yana be BFA, the qualifications in Nane Lances, a whole of free now. She was vetted and approved by Kevin Taylor. It's even last night that they can never commit to defend. Will be at benefit no one coin and be defended or no corner. Enumgan would miss Yena. Yet benefit. Now, some by no set. Social Montana, so dear Mahama, Unyaso, or take also the and some people know or carry to know him about episode. Eddie Abbey piece on the one fast spare came to papa. What the free can tell a person who are horror now, basically back came to so. A horror now, cosy answers of there so. And Yasi Mukuma.
Ɛtoɔ bekum John Mahama. Hey! To kɛseɛ bekum JM. Papa kwakura mu ne wanye do mu yanka boys the guest who jama wom. Ne nka John mo so om de to om hot so. Na papa kwakura mu se de to kɛseɛ de o de kwai. Hey! Wa san we no hu na akɔkɔ foto kɛseɛ. Hey, ɛtoɔ bekum JM. To kɛseɛ bekum John Mahama. Oh, JM, afi de wadi nkunim. To kɛseɛ de o pɛ wadi jo. Hey, ɛtoɔ bekum JM.
Now, His Excellency, with all due respect, who team no any akabeneza, and our Rasnene team no, they ain't a petuo. Just let me know, they ain't a petuo. Because Rasnene team no, who need to I for creative content. Allegedly, you. I hear say some and Sansa daily or say weekly cases be they go on. Fake doctors and send be. Hey, Kevin Taylor, and us this information we buy. I come back and say. You know, I don't agree with Okatechie Frifa, or because Oyena idea to say Kevin Taylor pepe in their own political interest. But this time around the day, I have to doff my hat to give that man Okatechie Frifa, baby, I will be a Ranyamin Shroud. So send it say say before appointing people, you don't look for their background, investigations. Just say in there's a say if I call what to now I qualify for the job. This is the main reason why young girls ever said they be all mutu kwai no muko take because mama yati say Ɛtoɔ and I'm the juma workroom has say. You know, when the person goes out there to enhance the body pay or beba near money post, the TV host and I show be an idea sharing. Meanwhile, the person does not qualify. Meda His Excellency asi. Ni buefu ni mom dear, but meda na say with immediate effects now or you get any free one. Or T case no, because had it not been Okatechie Frifa, yes, your doctor was any fake doctor, no results by the help of Kevin Taylor or no na connection. Hey, next 4 years before Babe do be to school, name our position nibi. And this idea was same. Mobo, ye we are near time 100 Ghana be a shawunsa. The bena e beko yenim with this attitude, Ɛtoɔ attitude. The bena e beko yenim. And Sansa daily or say weekly or say monthly. Because say dear grow has say on. Yeah, was so for mu bomb pie mama you know, appointees no muntina see mumia mu belt me because if you don't deserve it, you know, that's not the first. Yeah, baba be simple for baby form. Ɛtoɔ nti na am post munim he. You people are not learned. Go school do baby na munya 1-2 certificate bia. Na nkofa recommend them. Kevin Taylor, you the way you bore me the way you I'm disappointed in you. Kevin, I'm disappointed. First lady, I was 20 and next year appointees and I was on what. Send me the move mommy post because yes, we need to. And so, and Sansa daily or no about that baby. Beautiful people, until then, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm disappointed in the ruling government.
Yeka, NDC for ye benya mani pia wakana, enyatwa eyema, enyatwa eyema. Yeso ye shabrana nana. Send him guasi we chere saying. Gifty Hammond in a twasem betwitwe mu say ya no ade strategy. Na eyi say lady ba akwi fantasy o se hwan o ma me de ne tote parliament ayenim dwuma wo die. O twema ememe wo parliament nyina timi ya eyes right no mu hweto no. Aden. Ya papa Mahama aden. Yentimi ndili awe with sa emma we ne twasem. What time wo kodu anu ayi ni America? MPP for yes, wo mutiri mu odin eme wo me fesika me yes ani ema no ba NDC eye father for all sika no bi enya bidi enu nti ne mu bi ye fili NDC no but mo ya meto ne ma ne kuyen Tracy Boate de ne die betwa mu na Misbed de ne die namfa ena sesi a hippopotamus ede ne die abefam oba besia doctor mu a otimika se chloroquine ye painkillers aden. It's yet to mean dealing with away with a man crank person this strategy. Edia no. Why, and your hip hippopotamus. Uncle Bediu, Yamina Haji.
But you cannot just ask vague question and say, oh, me busa, me send email binti say, omunimunti. That means she is not a doctor in America. And in terms of people are going to go to jail. Because the lady's lawyer has released a statement. They are looking at suing between 40 to 50 million. Because we are talking about people who went to school to work hard to get their certification. Inti Uba Amatefi or say, I went to New Jersey to check and I sent an email to the so-called medical school she claimed.
Kawanutum na ukasa bebe blood sister na etu asemu wa akwachuchu asema bless sister na wi
o be ma wakwa aware be ma obuni bi send na da so be ma kentin katesa no wakwa aware ye kasa na ukasa fasa bo plus science no full account ayin dia to ba no ahwade mo amudi Kevin Taylor chi ukruma da be na Kevin Taylor na numa sem na investigations ama obi akojelo ukruma da Kevin Taylor adwuma why investigations no apeja A4 sheet we be ko jail aso mesi be ko why na Kevin Taylor me jail no kruma no mu kura no or a candidate for jail. Kevin Taylor no a candidate for jail cause on Ghana buy Penyah na ni tina ese na buy na ba po na bi po ma Ghana Kevin Taylor so and we be ko jail one mu kura a candidate for jail o be ma kwa ware abroni bi na ware oso mu e da ka oso one wa full se twobi Solia, okay, with the Obama, was a base, or Solia, Ghana, but if we now would do matter more, who would be pursued away, who go to drink na chacha. Ah, okay, get a chair for Casano, can be like I said, and they will get on a palm. Again, I'll be appointments, man. Now we see shows now. Mobile savvy, assassin radio, mobile savvy, some media platform, or she could save home. For lawyer could save home. Now you and this for I don't blame you people. Roman Yanama more appointments. The joke like at a chair free for a sebi. Yakopodi Yan Sebia running. I think up my work out that border. And this for crowd, you go for Belgrade. Tis a moon shade. Now we not after no markings more your veteran. No more than 1 hour, 2 hours here veteran among Tiasi. Huh? After no markings more your veteran, no more than 1 hour, 2 hours. Besides, and this for questions are. Nena the chief football crew was on Tiasia. Nekata chief for the romantic way or that board or so. I mean the Ghana Fusca to Janica, Abra 1 year doctor. Kevin Taylor, who is the crew. What she blood of savage Munamo always say on and TikTok on my FYP. They are said Kevin, I'm a televideo there, a baby trim but send me, I say, me call Kevin televideo and I made me TV cartoon station there. Ah. Come on, but I'm being a sardine. But at the end, if you do beat me, trim or FIP. None about Kuba trim. Obi, I palm on again, or you're revoking again. Appointment is all come once a move. MP before some, just a Kevin done any once a move. Just why I didn't offer ya. No, I not full 34 buckets. No, you can't see me. Now, but oh, I did again, yeah. I did against Dr. Sanson is a hands and one white delusion on my iron. I think that I'm in catching another a bind chini. I want to be one. Ye generously. What's your base on come because or banny diano? Yes, the BB is a impost to the one way. Yet, Yana. Mr. Munko and I'm watching National Street Munko fan. Why not? Then again, I an idea. Said why in it more and I'm on short of some count. Why I didn't bet what was Mentiasi. Now it's Mr. More when you cry about first word delayed station be on pill with TV so. Satellite obi on pay on the so who TV the so crown more when so dear me naturally. Cause I can tell a loud silence TV no. Minim quite fast by me TV so. On the crazy can tell us going to me so TV. Me so crown me change station come na ko to crown every time cry cause one Kenyans are same bia the show no so. It one quite be a bit my first word delay is a loud silence TV the free. Me best me who the crowd with TV the so cause TV me amedia. No me delay the free so no. But your dear me naturally. Because on Kenyans are someone that can television won't get Jimmy count one pass someone one. So Mr. One going pass with me delay up on a fusion. Dear me naturally. right now national security mo kofa again why Mahama pamono by criminal mo koche
Oketeche Afrifa. Oketeche Afrifa. Ghana mind dawase. Nyame nhyirawo. Ghana mind edawase. Nyame nhyirawo. Sana nkofo bi onyansa okrom ha. Sana Ghana fo bi onyansa okrom ha. Sana Ghana fo bi akọ school okrom ha. Ah! Oketeche Afrifa. Pave the way. These are people that I would submit to. These are people that I will bow my head to learn from. These are people that I will forever respect. Oketeche Afrifa is showing us the value of education. He's showing us the value of reading. He's showing us the value of wisdom. One principle that I've always believed in this life is that whatever you intend to do, whatever you want to do in this life, there is a better way of doing it. There is always a better option. There is always a better way of doing it. Oketeche Afrifa will take you through an intellectual journey. He will enlighten you. He will educate you. He will upgrade your mind without having to insult anybody's father or uncle or grandfather. These are the people we should emulate in society. Every youth in this country must emulate the lifestyle of Oketeche Afrifa. Preach, preacher. Preach, preacher. We are solidly behind you, and nobody would intimidate you in this country.
And you know, for Shaisini or for Shaisini, mini. Kevin Taylor. Kevin Amatila. Bemana ote ne yire kitchen. Edin kwasi asemna oba na hwe no. Mahama oye Ghana assets oye asset to Ghanaians. Mahama ye president. Whether we like it or not, oye Ghana president. Enti se we fake doctor and sansa nedia. Enyina ho entoto ayampia because papa no Mahama no o capital nya o size no. And I won't even decide man because about Kawa to be Kevin Taylor about Okra only vote Ghana o Kevin Taylor only vote. Them say Anna group maybe on Anna politicians Minana me yase omutie and kwasiafo bi tse wo because o Kevin Taylor only credibility. Nana ya woniema ya kan English now we didn't hear and kwasima odi na kan brofo ka we wo pam wo nya ne shy say Enti Mahama no ye peno or ye Ghana president. Enti wutimi decide ma no. Mahama ade ba ko a wa ya ama mebo abaso ne ge na wa revoke ne ayi no. Wa yi na di no. Sa anasansa na wa yi na di no. And I salute you sir. Kwasi aba we enti NDC for no. Enti Dr. Papa bi ani wa na. A wo kofo obi a we no ko kanishi kura ma ne nton mo ne tutobi. Sa ge wo ko kanishi doma ye ma ne nton mo ne tutobi ana sansa also ada pa dedi okatechi a trauma ye nyina ebu ya sechi wa ehu ye hu de wo ye froster shaise ana sansa shaise ana sasa also aju ani so anim guase ana adenam and is what start post near maybe interviews via or ye nkofo shaise untimi twist your mind. Kevin Taylor also there nam kwan so ba ate wonim sa punchani a wawo na ache shaise Mahama abo abaso girl na wa yi no wa pam no yes I do too Ohene ba ye ne say sa pam ayi komna mika akando sa komna minta akando as one no health minister na sa pam okuja to ablakwa wa pam Sam George why ti Mahama ye ne sa ama ye da say ko wanim shaise
Ɛtoɔ nkra de akyerɛ wo sɛ kwasi ampanyine ya oda wi one ne papa jimifo ya omoda ho no o papa wi atena akonya so 25 years nyame ya adoma manti wi ya o de sen afi wi ya yesim no somewhere September ne papa be di 26 years wo ayodo akonya 1999 okokodi akonya no tse ne otumfo edi ne pepepe nti ono so odi akonya nyene wadi akonya na cheyie papa nanso o papa ntumi ntene ne nsa nka nkyere Ghana for say since ambedu ayodo akonya no we ne metumi aya ama ayodo fo ama omo nso so me no ka say wo mo ebinya me so mfa so oni bi nti baby a Kevin Taylor kwasi ampanyini obegina bia na o holding pain for accountable bia no musa ne say Ohene David account for almost a year ne say wonya kwasi ampanyina o papa ebedi na fashe at the 25th anniversary went me and show o papa kra because unim see ebe busan accountability because of David inti he was afraid to show what ne papa aye and o papa so nya hwe inti no then obetumi a kire say when na me papa aye kwasi ampanyini we will be sitting on internet tell people say we papa nyade we papa ye leader and we nye say ono ne nim nkofo mo ye papa omutumi bu oman nso ono ne papa ye leader mpa cho mo hwe ye frɛ Nana Hermes kwasia aye kente de ayi odesen drawa net atototo kom na ogina ho a odi bibia ba uti ka presi we ni bi asresre chedanom ba umianom ekọ honom for campaign no osere o mo se mesre mo ma meka na meso mepewi aboatoliwa nti baby ambo hu ne bia no pacho ono na okateche afifa mensa ede ne nan asini tiri soro no na meka kira mo se nipa bia opre too much na se bone kro na wo bonkofo achi no wo ye bia eho aso twen ne enwa nim guase se ya na etie ana se ya ne beba na dandam ya good dandam na dandam mo kan so mitine me saka kira me se woti jandam ya propaganda ade na entisa o se etisa e bi nso na Kevin Taylor yi boni tim kansem and that is political my games me ka kira mo NPP wo mo ti say NPP enso NDC ye bi pacho bo love no so na share video na ye kwa no ya tete abetie no na ne cha no otete abetie na ne cha no enkomo ne doso ye nhyase na yenko ye bedi sa abaye we hu nkomo kakra bi ye bra or the saying na sisi wagu abaye ye ni mase mo hwa de we ni content mo hwa de girlie what's he saying me entie nsem no afu dohwe ampa one read message ben
Yes, sir.
yeah America bola bed yes ne sai chicken na busuafo mesrɛ mo emam wo ha madaroma me hwe ade bi wo ha madaroma wa mesrɛ mo a girlie pacho woni gina ho no monka no kre se ye ka kyerɛ wo sɛ sa aba ya kro na no woni ni antim pacho obegye dia na onyini me ma se bi se nyina no abaye ya woda soro he pacho me sa de na to so bi hwe girlie din ha emom nipa nye o we nye leg like we say asemo ahnepa me hu twiri me papa wo hwe abaya na wo gina ho no na wo hwe ne nsa na wo hwe nase na ene ne soro ne mfa Roberta asampa na me ka tiro no me wa dwiri mi o I think sana me woni ni video bia men ko na men konko ese me hu ni video ni bia na inti sapa well I think me woni video ni bia me hu bi me ba ko ni and there's one here and another one there and this one and a back on no away me four ni nyina wa ha four but me mo three na no wogina ho let's start from here let's start from here. Wow. All right, let me take some videos from here. It can take up to 10 videos. So and this one of give the other Pro Max. I swear. Well, let's take this one. Whatever she did, whatever she did. Hey, Monshe again, Shananentu, Bacho Shananentu. Actually, I'm short of words. I want to figure it out like a photo, there be Photoshop in Yajmo video, man. We Ibiana, when I did to way and inquire, hey, wait, there be bra, baby, and all down it on. Baby, and all down it on, aha hia me papa mbacho 1 2 3 bacho hwe anantuo no madawro ma mo hwe anantu wedie bibi na hyehyɛ ho na saa app we no me yentumi zoom me nim senka nanka metumi zoom pa nka me zoom a kyerɛ mo papa me full layout mo hwe hey gay you fucking you gay where you fucking you hwe oh mo hwe ne nan no me si hwe ne nan na me de kyerɛ mo enti yen hwe ne nipadua no efiri na basa madaru mo hwe ne nsa does this ensa fit nipadua na ne nan na esi wona ana mo hwe ne nsa hwe ne nsa pia hwe na hwe ne to oh debi yesi Bob Risky no no so hye ade bi wo so sa yesi Bob Risky no hye ade bi wo so sa this thing doesn't fit please hwe ne ye mame mo hwe ne ye mame sa ni paya wo no gina ho ya make na asem yo oba na mo hwe no hwe na hwe ne mfi you dia ne ya pakia manase kakraka na hwe ne nsa no ye ahade hwe ne tunu mu na hwe na nantu won na misuro now yankwa ne yankonkofa unua ba wa hase maame wa uni o ye pese hwe wonan ne biem we hwe nhya ne na ho hwe straw yawu we deceive total scamming complete deceive because 99 na 90 e ho na nie abusiafo was say as for this lady anytime you post a video on your show you make me laugh rough was say woman scammers are very dangerous grada Mrs. Anansi edin dia mamma ni bi mom hene nine na wapejan mo enti mo hwen mama well na me ba ya mba behwa abaye tese wo hye ho no ma ba bom modin apanie because o hwe we na o hu ni kotodwe obia ni o hwe ni kotodwe wo intini ma de na o hye sa de ya de na tese monka no kre mbacho obi nya research bi ma me sesi ya me pese me hwe bibia eniema na mba hye body den fake bottles and fake DNA. How do I search UA? Because this is dangerous. Fake butt for women. Oh, fake boy. Oh, abakade. Yesu. Hey. Ebia body obi so say body foam hey body foam was David I think when she give birth she can grow fat oh aden onu kwa na awo mama mama Angelina Misro mama we dey me nyini wo dey Debbie Debbie cushion staff leggings hey mama ko boy no cushion yanko me hu ande me baba beto so mba che was it den cushion cushion den oh am I try you hey cushion staffed leggings me boa leggings. Okay. Hey, cushion. Hey. Let me go swimming in the move. I mean, photos. Cushion. Yeah. Hey. A big guy 12 euros. Oh, hey. Obi. Ha. One more time. Hey. I said, so much to me in Tari and Jimmy and his out. What to me shut up, pack in Tari. Yo. Yadi niema, sago. We obi a wani jije saa niema hu na odi a kire amane abehu anu no. Yeah. Ubedin sago because na nipa na kire wa ha no. Ai, wo ye na wo hye na wa ye pampi, wa ye se balu, wa ye se Lufthansa e ba bitu no. Enti abusuan asema ya ho nyina nse ye wo ha. Ye behu an se girl no. Ni photo aba abonten. Ni video a ne nan ho guo. Ei, enipa na ne 96 straw. This legs enhancer pad. Me dem akwa ehun hia me pan ka me epebi. E de atoso de akire mo na ebi ho no ma enya appropriate ntino. Legs the enhancer. Enhancer pad neboa leg enhancer pads yankonko hey boy we dey mon twen me hu bi why Mr. Madam ai yeah. Abaya na kunyo. Yeah. Na sana girl itie. Hey. I'm going to make train a train. Munyina odin o. Munyina odin obi antwen me. Ba ko na antwen ti me je sem san kokotwen. Boy. Hey, na entisana mama tie. Legs and hands. Hey. Ni besi mo isumo. Na. Ade na mo hwe. Yansa nyina ye hey. Say wansa de nyina o. Mahu ba kubu anti me kwa kofe no aba be kire mu. Hey. Boy. Mr. Mon try me why Mr. Mo. Hey. Kumijita Jimmy. Me di ba be kire mu. Hey. Atena geli oyeza. Hey! Yeah. Mewu. Me na kuyo Jimmy o. Na momo penso de na we bi ne ho. Just legs enhance. Hwe. Ye, eduru abi so a, no asen yi see you. Onye, no wetin na no ayi see. Mo ya de. Hwe nan nkronche. We na efre no nkronche no. Mbacho obi betimi aboa me ana. Yesi ni dia kasa ne yefre no realistic silicone calf pad leg enhancement. Ma obi betimi aboa me ana. Abaya idi me pese me ya na me konya ne eye ya wonya fu no say she deceive herself at the end of the day. She takes it off and looks like warm.
Try your mama, comment section. Aha, Penyah Block Media.